In this video, we're going to explore a basic method of adding a border to the outside of a photo. Using this method, we won't actually add a border over the top of the photo, so there's no need to worry about obscuring any details that might be on the edge of it. Here I have my image, which I've made some adjustments to using some adjustment layers, and these are listed in my layers panel. You can see that I've got a levels adjustment layer, as well as one for hue and saturation. Now, assuming that I'm happy with this, we're going to add a basic white border to this image. Firstly, I'll show you how to check the size of your image. This information is key to deciding how large your border should be. So navigate to Image, Image Size. Here you can see values for the image's width, height, and resolution, and that's currently in centimeters. This can of course be changed by clicking on the drop-down menus and selecting another unit of measurement, such as pixels. Another way of accessing this information is to navigate to Image, Canvas Size. In this window, we can see the current size of the image again, its width and height, as well as see the opportunity to give it a new size. In particular, the ability to give a new size to this document doesn't actually apply to the image itself. So if I enter a large number for the width or height, I won't be making the image or photo larger. Instead, I'll be making the canvas that the image is sitting on larger. This will become clear shortly. Again, we can select the unit of measurement for our new size. I'm going to increase the canvas size around my image by 2 centimeters, or rather, give the image a border of 2 centimeters. To do this, I will add 2 centimeters to each of the current values in the boxes. You can see a drop-down box next to Canvas Extension Color, and this allows me to choose the color of the 2 centimeter canvas extension, otherwise known as the border. I can select Other, if I prefer, to select a particular color in the color picker. For now, I'll stick to white. Press OK. You can now see a 2 centimeter white border around the image. However, what we've actually done is expanded the canvas that the image sits upon by 2 centimeters from the center point. I can take this another step further by increasing the canvas size on one particular side of the image. For example, if I'd like to add a caption to the bottom of the image, I can increase the area of the canvas only by 5 centimeters. To do this, I'll bring up the canvas size window again. I will add 5 centimeters to the height. And then I'll use these arrows to grab the top of the image. This results in the increase in canvas size extending to the bottom only. Go ahead and press OK here. As you can see, we now have a larger canvas area to the bottom of the image. I can then use the text tool to add a caption. All of these actions are recorded in the history palette, so if you want to reverse these changes, or perhaps A/B them to see the effect of the new border, you can do.